supposed to be doing this on the inside, but I left the dang on key at the other house. So we're gonna have to do it from the outside. I'm gonna pop this screen off. See, we gotta put a new screen in there. On every window, y'all can see it's like little hinge points right here, but these right here, you can just pull back and it let you fold the window in on most of these windows. So you can fold these in, push both tabs in, push the window in, and then turn up one end. Turn it one side like that. The other side pole will just pull out. Bam.
Bye-bye.
Going to the window shop.
Oh yeah. Well, that's one way to get in.
It's cool.
Babe, if you want to go to the gym, just say it.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way.